So what's inside of this course? Well, I'd like to think that you'll find it to be valuable information. So the sections are broken up as such. In the first one, we'll go over the course basics. Then I'll kind of give you the big picture in the second section. And then the third section, we'll talk about getting started and setting up all your back end. And then in number 4, we'll talk about setting up your plan of attack. And in the fifth section, we'll talk about all the lead generation videos, which is the service you will be providing to business owners. Now, I'll get into a lot more detail in all these sections, so if you have any questions, just hang tight. We'll get to them. Now, in the sixth section, we're going to go over ranking these videos and getting them online and getting them up on Google. And then in number 7, we'll talk about setting up your LinkedIn account. And if you have a LinkedIn account already, you can more or less skip this section. And then in section 8, we'll talk about booking clients via LinkedIn, talk about the various resources available to you via LinkedIn and other services. And then in section 9, we'll just go over what the bonus is and what the course downloads include and how to use them.